How to install JDK on Mac OS X. Visit the Oracle website, then click on the downloads, accept the license agreement and click on the DMG file, and the download is now started. Wait for the download to complete. Once download is completed, click on the DMG file. Now the installer is started. Double click here, continue, then install, enter the password, then click on install software. Now it is installing the software. Now JDK is installed. Now you type java-version and it will show you the version of JDK installed here. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.